Imagine a world where reality and fantasy seamlessly merge, where the impossible becomes possible, where the line between the tangible and the intangible blurs. Welcome to the astonishing realm of virtual reality. Once upon a time, virtual reality was merely a figment of the human imagination, a whimsical concept confined to the pages of science fiction and the frames of futuristic films. However, with the relentless march of technology, this fantastical dream has evolved into a tangible reality. Initially, this immersive technology was embraced by the gaming community, providing gamers with an unparalleled immersive experience that transcended the boundaries of traditional gaming. Picture a gamer, VR headset strapped on, transported into a world of dragons and mythical beasts, engaging in epic battles, or dancing with avatars in a virtual party. It was a revolution, a new frontier in entertainment, a way for gamers to not just play the game but to live it. But the journey of virtual reality did not stop at gaming. It ventured beyond, breaking the shackles of entertainment to redefine how we learn, train, and prepare. Firefighters began training in virtual emergencies, simulating scenarios too dangerous to replicate in reality. Surgeons practiced intricate procedures in a risk-free environment, honing their skills without the fear of real-world consequences. Pilots navigated through virtual skies, mastering the art of flight before ever stepping foot in a real cockpit. And it didn't stop there. The world of education embraced VR, transforming the way students learn. Imagine walking through the corridors of a virtual museum, exploring the wonders of ancient civilizations, or dissecting a virtual frog without the squeamishness of reality. Designers too found a new canvas in VR, crafting intricate 3D models in a limitless virtual workshop. So what's the takeaway from this journey? Virtual reality, once a gaming tool, has evolved into a versatile training device, transforming sectors from education to healthcare, from design to emergency services. It has opened up a universe of endless possibilities, redefining our experiences and changing how we interact with the world. From games to training and beyond, virtual reality is not just a passing fad, but a revolution that's here to stay. It's an invitation to explore, to learn, to create, and to immerse oneself in a universe of endless potential. So strap on your VR headset and dive into this fascinating world. The future is here, and it's virtually real. Stay tuned, share your thoughts, and immerse yourself in the exploration of the versatile world of virtual reality. And remember, this is just the beginning. The virtual universe is expanding, and there's so much more to discover.